Welcome students. Today we are going to study the meaning and definition of environment. The term environment is derived from French word environs meaning around, encircle and encompass. Okay, we all know this is a common familiar word environment, but while writing the exam, while writing the Welcome students, welcome to our channel Learn with Pradnya Pandit. In our today's session, we are going to study what is the meaning and definition of environment. We all know the word environment. It is very much familiar to us, but while writing the answer, it is necessary to write the basic information about this word. So, the term environment is derived from the French word environs. It means around, encircle, or encompass. Okay, that means something which is around us. Hence, the term environment in short can be used for surrounding. It can also be referred as the totality of all the externalities that affect human life. It means environment refers to all the external things which is not internal, which are external. All the externalities that affects all of us, that affects human being. Anything, so that can be social environment, that can be natural environment, any type of environment. Next, in broader perspective, environment consists of human, social, political, economic and physical environment. Okay, so in short, what are the types of environment? It may be human environment, social environment, political environment, economic and physical environment. All these environmental types affects our overall life. Okay, even if the slight climatic changes also affects our emotional and physical status. Next, Webster's ninth New College Dictionary defines this concept as circumstances, objects, or conditions by which one is surrounded. Okay, Professor Webster says that environment is nothing but the overall circumstances, all the objects, every condition by which we all are surrounded. Okay, the Encyclopedia Britannica, the Encyclopedia defines environment as the entire range of external influence acting on an organism, both physical and biological. Okay, so this definition you have to by heart, and you are not supposed to change any of the wordings of any definition. You have to write every definition as it is. Okay, so as per this encyclopedia, environment is the entire range of all the external influences acting on an organism, acting physically also and acting biologically also. Okay, so this is the basic meaning and information about definition of environment. Okay, in our next lecture, in our next session, we will study what are the components of environment. Till then, revise this topic. If you have any doubt, then please ask me. Please write all your doubts in the comment box. Okay, and study well, study hard. Bye bye.